How to create a website or an online store on Bigcartel 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Bigcartel and how you can basically create yourself a good website or potentially an online store using Bigcartel. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, to access bigcartel.com, all you're going to do is the following. You're going to come here and you're going to write website worldmedia.com/bigcartel. And once you write that and enter this URL, as you can see, you're going to be headed straight into Bigcartel. And this is where we're going to start doing our work. Please do make sure to check out the link in the description. Now, here you can see easy online store for artists and makers, okay? And like, this is the best thing about this. It says, keep your money. Like, we don't take a cut out of your sales or charge a bunch of fees. Just pick one of the affordable monthly plans to fit your needs and budget. Now, you have 3 different plans. The free plan, okay, which is totally free. No credit card needed. And it has 1 image per product, free customizable themes, sell online and in person, real-time stats, custom domain, discounts, run promos, shipment tracking, product option groups, sales tax, autopilot. Okay, that's the first plan. And then you have the second plan, okay? And this is basically, you could say, the premium plan with $9.99 per month, no listing fees, 5 images per product, free customizable themes, sell online and in person, real-time stats, custom domain, theme code editing. Okay, this is for the coders out there. Google Analytics also allowed, inventory tracking, offer discounts, run promos, bulk editing, you have shipment tracking, product option groups, and sales tax autopilot. And then finally you have this, okay, $19.99 a month, no listing fees, and diamond features with 5 images per product, free customizable themes, sell online and in person, real-time stats, custom domain, theme code, Google Analytics, inventory, bulk editing, you know, all that stuff. So it's basically the same as Platinum, but the difference is that Platinum basically has 50 products, but Diamond, you can have up to 500 products. Like, how crazy that is. So now that we've discussed that, let's go ahead into this section. So we're going to go ahead and click on sign up, and you're going to sign up for free. Now, once you sign up for free, they're going to ask you an email, everything. I'm going to go ahead and use a temp mail, create myself a good strong password. Once that is done, choose a shop name, just create anything random right now, and obviously make sure that the URL works. And once you've done that, just click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, basically it's going to take you into the whole verification thing. So let's verify your email address. So before you get started, we sent you an email to confirm that you can access, all this stuff, and please verify using the button in the email within 24 hours. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and change your email address if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and verify. Here you are. So we need you to verify your email. Now, to verify your email, just click on verify your email address, and there you go. Now you have properly verified, and here you are. Getting started checklist. So firstly, verify your location and currency. This is used for tax settings and shipping profile, add a product, explore shipping profiles, and all this stuff, okay? Now, you're going to get your analytics down here. So right now, obviously, we don't have any data to display any stats. So obviously, they're going to give you a sorry message, like, sorry, we don't have enough data to display any stats. Please check back later. So obviously, we're going to do that. Now, first of all, let's go ahead and verify location and currency. So here we are in location and currency in, like, the whole account settings section. Now, to verify everything, this is where we're going to, edit our shop info. So I'm going to go here, change your URL. If you want to, keep a custom one. Choose your location to keep your time zone. And once you've, cupped all of that, set your payment options. So there's 2 different options, okay? You can either set up Stripe or PayPal. Now, sign up to be notified when with Stripe. Now, Stripe is basically a great payment gateway. It's I would personally, if it's like available for you in your country, I would personally go with Stripe, because Stripe is, it's specifically made for online stores, whereas PayPal is more business related. So like, it's not like I don't trust PayPal. PayPal is like a great company, but for website and online stores, I would much more recommend Stripe, and I would much more rather work with that. Now, once you've chosen your payment method, go back to your account, and you have the taxes. You can set up taxes if there are any. Okay. Now, once that is done, you have the billing section where you have the gold billing, and you have the different plans. And you also have shipping profiles beta, where you can apply your shipping profiles at checkout, default shipping profiles, product shipping profiles. You can also edit your shipping if you want to, and you have preferences, security, active devices, and all this stuff that goes along with it. Okay. Now, to get into designing your website, all you're going to do is you're going to click on design, and once you click on design, you're going to basically come over here. So, first of all, you have the account, and here you have the design section. Please do make sure to check out the link in the description. So first of all, you can go ahead and design a header for yourself, okay, and choose any header if you want to, okay. As you can see, let's say I have an affiliation program, so I'm gonna add that. And what this is going to do is it's going to add a header image like that. So look at that, John's affiliation. Then you can go ahead and add more things like select, drag, or drop images to upload, repeating background images. Okay. So let's say I'm just going to add that. It's an affiliation for a gym. And you can add images for gyms if you want to. You can add images for CrossFits. Keep on adding more images. You can also have a slideshow. So, you can add up to 5 photos. Then here are your colors. This is, your background color and everything. This background over here. You can go ahead and, mess with all of that. So as you can see, the background is all the images that I added. So you get the point. Then, obviously you have fonts. Okay, the fonts is the universal, you could say, typography. This is like the setting for the fonts that you can change and mess around. Pretty easy and basic stuff. Okay. Just go ahead and choose whatever font works best for you, and you have a great font selector going on right there, and it's just a great thing to have by your side, great thing to work with. So just go on ahead, mess around with it all you want. Okay, now once we've discussed that, now obviously further on you have like scroll down. Okay, now once you scroll down, you have different options like announcement text, and these are basically texts which are necessary. Then you have permalinks. These permalinks are basically your social media links that you can add to your page for, your marketing, your automations, and your social marketing basically. Then you can also add pages. Okay, you can add new pages. Like let's name this page something random. And in this page, obviously, you can go ahead and add any type of information, code, as so. And then obviously you can add images to it. You can add, make it italic, choose a clear formatting, insert and edit links accordingly if you want to, and all that stuff that basically makes your life much easier, much more simpler. Now, once you've created a page, just click on done, and there you go. You have a page now. Then you can also mess around with themes. As you can see, you can get custom themes to work with, like Roadie, Netizen, Luna, Sunscreen, Lunch Break, Sidecar, Trace, Ranger, all these different types of themes to go with. But yeah, now once you've done that, obviously also make sure to choose tablet and mobile view. And once that is done, just click on publish. And once you click on publish, your website is going to be published, and you're going to have like, a proper website. So yeah, that's basically it. So that's how you're going to make a website / store for your Bigcartel. Yeah, as you saw, that is how simple and easy it is. Now, once we're, done with all the website creation and stuff, let me remind you again, all you're going to do to head yourself over to Bigcartel is write website worldmedia.com/bigcartel, or please do make sure to check out the link in the description. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video and found it informative, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will make more for you. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.